Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. So we're back at my apartment because I'm actually going to school right now. But I got a new package that just came in, and it's something I've been wanting for a while now. But no, never really got it. It's actually back with the WX. I was like, I really wanted it, but you know, it's kind of pricey for the WX. But for the STI, it's a little bit more affordable. So I'm in school and I need something little to install just for y'all. But I'll flip the camera and show y'all what it is. As y'all can see, we got a Cobb box. Actually, you got the Cobb alternator cover for the STI engine. You can see me in reflection. Full carbon weave, looks amazing. And here's all the hardware for it. You know, I totally forgot that actually Cobb sends out like these letters, stickers, license plate frames and stuff. But you know, I'm gonna put that to my collection. I have a couple at home, but not for that yet. So let's just head downstairs and install this product. Allen keys, I'm pretty sure all you need is like a 19mm wrench and a 10mm socket and ratchet. I'm not entirely sure yet because I have not done this install. I watched a couple of videos, but you know, you don't know it until you actually do it. So let's head down there. I'm gonna set up the tripod and everything, and then let's install in the car. Okay, so actually after doing a little bit of research, I looked it up on Cobb's website to see what parts you actually need, because I don't feel like coming back up and down the stairs the whole time. So actually I upgraded to a 3/8 with the 10, 19, and this should be a 14. Yeah, there's 14, 10, and 19 socket, a couple extensions. You're still gonna need the wrench though, because you turn the pulley, and then now it's actually go down and install it on the car. Okay, well, the car's turned the wrong way. Let me just go ahead and turn it around and start the install for y'all. All right, I don't know if y'all saw or not, but the car is so dirty. That's no point in me washing out here because it's literally pure sand out here. So there's really no point. But the install started. Like I said, the engine bay is very dirty, but we'll get it fixed up eventually. I'll wash this eventually. I just can't do it right now. But let's go ahead and get this taken off. All right, so I can't really get y'all a good angle because there's only so much I can do with this tripod. But this bolt, go ahead and start off with this bolt. It's 10mm, and then there should be like a little clip under. All you have to do is just pinch it, and it's the whole cover just comes right off. I'm gonna set y'all up, and I'm gonna start get started on doing that. Second thought, there's not a clip. All you have to do is just pull it up, and it comes right off. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is the bracket that we gotta remove. This one stays here, but we gotta remove this bracket so we can get the new cover on. But I'm trying to get y'all an angle. Oh, right here. See that bolt right there? You gotta move that bolt, but currently this thing's in the way. So I got a 19mm wrench and just slowly push it to the right, and it'll slowly move itself to where we can get a socket in there and start unscrewing it. All right, so we finally got it through. This hose kind of is in the way, I'm not gonna lie, but I can still get a socket through there and then, you know, hit it up. So I'm actually not sure this 3/8 is gonna fit. I'm gonna have to go get a 1/4 inch, but I'm gonna try with a 3/8 real quick. So all I gotta do is just undo it, and hopefully the bolt does not drop through. That's gonna suck. Okay, so I was actually extra careful and I did not drop the bolt. Obviously most people do. But with that, like I said, 3/8 was pretty big. I just had to unscrew my finger with the socket after. But now, we should get started on the carbon piece install. So I'm actually gonna do a couple things before I actually install it onto here. Luckily with the bolt, the new piece, it just, instead of having a loop like this, you can just slide right through from the top. So I'm actually gonna get back to you and see what I wanna do first. 1 second. So I'm actually gonna get started on this piece right here, the carbon piece. All you want to do is actually get these little plastic pieces. I'm trying to get y'all a better angle. I'm gonna start with the carbon piece. Carbon looks great in the sunlight, but what you want to do is get carbon piece. These little rubber plastic pieces come with the kit. All you want to do is just push it through, with your hands, just so the bolts don't actually mess it up. So go ahead and do it on both sides. And then once you get started on the portion that actually just goes in this little rubber piece right here, and that's actually a lot easier than starting with that side. So with that, I went ahead, grabbed one of the bolts, put on the side with the Cobb logo, put one of the bolts through. All you gotta do, put a little bit of Loctite on that. That's included with the kit. Also, you don't have to do a lot. Should be enough, to be honest. Let me put this down real quick. And after that, all you gotta do is put it through with here. Get this piece that also comes with the kit. Just go ahead and screw it in somewhat tightly, and then you're gonna need the Allen wrench that comes with the kit, and then a 14mm socket or wrench, and tighten it down, and then we can just put this away for now. So now that the carbon part is nice and tight, let's get started on this bracket for the other side of the mount, which used to go exactly where the last one did. So I'm gonna get started with the 10mm wrench again and put this bolt back in. But before I do, I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite, but not screw fully in until this bracket is, you know, ready to mount and everything like that. All right, so we got the bolt back in. I put a little bit of Loctite on there, and then now let's actually put the bracket this way and actually start screwing it in. Okay, so now before I tighten down the whole bracket, let's go ahead and then install this carbon piece. Just put this black part right into the rubber grommet and then line it up, and then you can tighten that part down and put the other bolt down through here. Now all you gotta do is get that last bolt, put a little bit of Loctite on that, like so, and then tighten it up, and then you can tighten down the bottom piece, and then you're fully done. All right, so I finally finished it. This bolt sits a little higher than this one. For some reason, I'm not sure if I don't want to over tighten it though, so it's whatever. It looks great, it's flush and solid, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's gonna be the whole install for today. To be honest, if I had to change one thing, I'd probably go with the 1/4" ratchet, because I don't know if y'all saw, but 3/8 was having trouble just going into that slot. And the hose, my fault, sun's in the way. And the hose was in the way. And maybe if not, I'll take off the intake little cone right here too. That might help out. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope y'all liked it and enjoyed. Install wasn't too bad. I'll give it like a 3 out of 5 maybe. People trying to come down. Can't let myself be known. But yeah, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. Damn, sun's in the way and everything. I'll give it, oh my god, I'll give it 3 out of 5. Hope y'all like the install. Make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, comment down what I should do next. I'm really curious if I should do more like vlog based videos or just installs. Tell me what y'all like, and I'll catch you on the next one.